Nearly all wild lions live in Africa, but one small population exists elsewhere. In the world, there are two family extinction lion subspecies. African lion Panthera leo is found in Africa south the Sahara Desert. The ancestral lion Panthera leo exists in one small population around Gir Forest National Park in western India. Wildlife in the West and Central Africa are more closely related to these ancestral lions in India than to those found in southern and East Africa. Male lions can weigh 30 stone on average. Male lions weigh 190 kg, almost 30 small stone, and female weight 126 kg, almost 20 stone. It is weight and power behind them to hunt large prey and defend their pride. They start off sporty. Young lions have resorts and spots on their Sunday coast, but these generally disappear as they mature. The magnificent lines on male lions tell a story. Male lions grow impressive manes. The older they get, these manes grow up to 16 centimeter long and are a sign of dominance. The older they get, the darker their manes go. As well as attracting females, their manes may also protect their neck and head from injuries during fight. Lions cubs are reared. Tartar, a pride of lions, is usually made up of related females and their cubs, plus a male or small group of males who defend their pride. The lions is rare. Their cubs totter and cubs can suckle from any female with milk. Lions can get their water from plants. Lions are highly adaptable and can live in very dry areas like the Kalahari Desert. Here they get most of their water from the prey and will even drink from plants such as the tisma melon. Of lion can get their water from plants. Lions are highly adapted and can live